Hello students, welcome to Chant Smart class. I am going to discuss cycloalkane, which is a chapter of pharmaceutical organic chemistry. We will cover the syllabus like reactions of cyclopropane and cyclobutane, Weierstrass theory and its limitation and drawbacks, and Coulson-Moffitt theory and Sacher-Mott theory. Students, see the introduction. Cycloalkanes are nothing but a saturated hydrocarbon in which the carbon atoms are linked by single bond and they form ring structure. See, this is the cyclopropane and this is the propane. Only the difference is it is ring form and it is in straight chain. This is ring form and carbon atoms are linked by single bond. Single bond, that is sigma bond, and these are saturated, means no double bond. Alicyclic compound. These are also called as alicyclic compound because alicyclic means straight like alkane means C, and cyclic means these are ring like structure. And the general formula is CnH2n, and these are also called as structural isomer of alkenes, and they contain 2 hydrogen less than the alkane. See, in this position 2 hydrogen are present, but in this extra single bond, due to the extra single bond, this hydrogen and this hydrogen is gone, so they contain 2 less hydrogen than alkane. Sorry student, this is cyclobutane, and this is cyclopropane. If we draw the cyclic structure of cyclobutane, means butane is, this is the cyclobutane. This is the line structure. CH2 single bond. This is the cyclobutane. This is the line structure and this is the structural. Means if we take carbon, hydrogen, this. And friends, let's start the nomenclature of cycloalkanes. The nomenclature of cycloalkane is similar to alkane. Means this is cyclobutane. This is cyclobutane. A prefix cyclo is added. That means it indicates that the compound is cyclated. If the substituents are present, then we apply lowest Locant rule. Means see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This position and this position. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And if we start numbering by this direction, see 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Lowest Locant rule is this. So we give nomenclature at this is in this direction 2, 3 means 2 ethyl 3 methyl cyclopentane. Two ethyl 3 methyl cyclopentane. See, this is the nomenclature. We will see the preparation. Preparation from dihalogen compounds means compound containing 2 halogen. See the reaction in presence of ethanol and 2 sodium. This is the 1,3 dibromopropane. How this reaction possible? These two sodium will take the bromine 2. That means here one bond is vacant and here one bond is vacant. then they form another bond. That means if we take it in overall, then see this is the first reaction. And this is the second reaction. See. Then the equation 2, from calcium salt of carboxylic acid. This is the calcium adipate and this is the calcium salt of carboxylic acid. This is the carboxylic acid. In place of hydrogen, calcium is present. As the calcium is divalent, another carboxylate group is required. If we heat it, then see calcium if we heat it, then the calcium carbonate will gone. Then see the product. This is the product, and calcium carbonate will gone as byproduct. Then further as you know, the Clemenson's reduction reaction, this reduce the ketone and aldehyde group into saturated hydrocarbon. Then see zinc Hg amalgam in presence of HCl. Then this group will be hydrogenated and they will form cyclopentane. Next to see this position oxygen is out, means is out as water. Then see first calcium adipate. First calcium adipate is heated to this structure. Then we do Clemenson's reduction in this. This group is hydrogenated and give cyclopentane. Then reaction number 3, from aromatic compound. See, this is the benzene, and this is the resonance form. If you remove it, then see this is the benzene. And if we give hydrogen in presence of nickel, you can take nickel or palladium, platinum. Yes. Then the double bonds are removed. See, this is the product. Here the double bonds are removed. Then the product is cyclohexane. And see, from alkenes, this is also known as Simmons-Smith reaction. This is very important reaction. This is also means name reaction. See, this is the alkene. What is the name? 1, 2, 3. 1. This is 1-propene C. In presence of zinc, copper and ether, this undergo reaction with CH2I2, means methylene iodine. This is methylene iodine C. CH2 in CH2I2, iodine is a volatile gas and this is a main leaving group. It will leave the compound. Then the rest is CH2. Then the CH2 will added. Here the double bond breaks and the CH2 is added. Then see, then we go to physical properties. Physical properties. This is first point. This is saturated compound, and second is soluble in organic solvent, because it is non-polar. It is non-polar in nature, so it is soluble in organic solvent. It is insoluble in water. And when we come to melting point and boiling point, then boiling point directly proportional to molecular weight, means more is the molecular weight, more is the boiling point. And also branching. If you see any branching, means any side chain branching or in any branching in chain, then you see there is, if branching increases, then boiling point decreases. Then start a quick recap. First we discussed introduction. In this introduction, we discussed that it is aliphatic plus cyclic group, means alicyclic, compound, and its general formula is CnH2n, and it contains 2 less hydrogen than alkane. Then we discussed about nomenclature. We add cyclo compound, cyclo suffix, and then if any substituent present, then we follow lowest locant rule. In preparation, we first see that from dihalogen compound, and then from alkene, that is Siemens reaction, and it is very important. and from benzene by hydrogenation and benzene by hydrogenation and from calcium or barium adipate. These for preparation and nomenclature and introduction we have discussed, and also physical properties. In physical properties we have discussed that it is lighter than water, means its density is less than water, and also we have discussed that it is soluble in organic solvent, and its boiling point increases with melting. It increases with molecular weight and decreases with branching. So if you want, then we will cover the chemical properties in part 2. So eagerly wait for part 2. Then thank you.